Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will be unboxing the GoPro Hero 9 Black. This came out a couple days ago and I'm really excited to get it into the studio and show it to you guys. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. Okay, so first things first, GoPro Hero 9. Now you can shoot 5K 30 frames, 4K at 60, it's 33 feet or 10 millimeters. You can go deep underwater. It's a 20 megapixel camera and you can live stream at 1080p. One cool new feature about this is that now it has this screen in the front, so like if you're a vlogger, I guess this could maybe possibly be a vlogging camera for you. Alright, so to unbox this, has something to peel off right here in the bottom, so we're just gonna peel it off, open it, and slide this out. Let's just put this to the side for right now. See the GoPro, this is like a carrying case that comes with it. It's actually really nice, plasticky type of packaging. This time they just give you a case. Pretty nice case. So now let's unzip it. And right here we have like a small pouch to put cables. You have papers, how to plug it into the power, all the good stuff. I mean, let's be honest, nobody really looks at this stuff anyway, so let's put it to the side. You have a USB-A to USB-C connector. You guys have to make sure not to lose this because this is going to come real handy. You have the mount. If you notice this year they kind of have it a little slanted, it's not flat like in the previous years. You have this tool. We have the battery. Let's make sure this gets in focus for you guys. This is the new battery. Apparently this battery is bigger than the one that came in all the other previous GoPros. Have the mount. And for the moment you guys have been waiting for, we have the GoPro itself. Now this GoPro is, according to what I've heard and seen, is a little bit bigger. You guys can see the screen here, screen back here. It's a lot beefier also. So yeah, 9 black on the side, power button. So let's take all this good stuff off. So yeah, so here's the GoPro itself. And then for the case, so I guess you could leave this in here, but you could recycle it. But if you take it out, it's pretty much the case. There's no dividers in here, which would have been nice actually to have dividers. But I guess if you really want dividers, you could just keep this in here. So let's move this to the side. And now let's look at this bad boy, the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Alright, so let's get the battery in here. See that? You just pop this up right here and it'll open so you can put the battery inside. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you have your there we go. Alright, let's see how much juice it has. Alright, so now it's gonna ask you the languages. So let's go ahead and we'll pick English. Alright, so now you have to download an app on your phone, the GoPro app. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so once you guys download the app, it'll ask you to pair it. So you just press pair. It's connecting. So there's a camera update, so right now it's going to be updating the camera. But that's just for now. We'll pull this to the side for now. Now I believe we have 8% battery right now, so you guys can see the screen right here. It's actually really nice. It's a little slow. I'm not gonna lie, first impressions, if you notice and you look at the screen, look at my finger, it kind of takes like a split second in order to actually show my fingers passing by. But it's actually really nice, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It actually seems the last GoPro that I had, I think, was the GoPro 5. Not much of a GoPro user, but this front screen really got my attention. And I want to see, can you use this to be a vlogger? Can you connect the mic to it? Does the image look great? That's what we're going to be able to find out for you guys. So yeah, so let's move on to some other things. Let's just turn this off for right now. All right, and then this thing right here is when all the other tools will come in. So we can just take these out. I'm not wrong. Like I said, I'm kind of new to this GoPro stuff. Yep. So you set it up like this. That's when this tool comes in. Kind of like a screw. Well, I mean, it is a screw. So you screw this thing on there. And then if you wanted to, you'd be able to mount this. All right, so now that I have it on here. So yeah guys, this is pretty much everything that you get in the packaging. You get your GoPro, you get your screw with your adapter, your mount, 3M on the bottom if you want to put this on like a bike or something like that. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I'm actually really excited to get this. I was really excited to get this, you know. Don't forget, you get your USB-A to USB-C. You get your carrying case. So yeah, this is pretty much what you pay for. Remember that this thing is going to cost money. I think it's $449 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I mean, one of the really cool things about this camera is that you can now shoot 5K at 30 frames and 4K at 60. You know, which is really not that bad. I really want to see the image quality of this thing, put it through its paces and see how it is. So yeah guys, this has pretty much been the unboxing video for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So stay tuned for the full review.